summers. We played water fights, stayed up at night.
So what we've got here is a side mount light, and it looks like it uses Phillips. We've turned the power off, and again we're going to replace it with the Utiltech motion activated. So we have our little strap that's hooked to the light so that we can unloosen the ends, and I have it hooked. And these look like different ends. So we went ahead and cut those, and I have my little strap to hold this. We no longer need this old light, so I'm going to go ahead and disconnect it from the strap. And then we're going to strip off those ends and make new ends. Yeah, our little strap is holding it. So I used our little strap to hold my meter, and this is a Harbor Freight meter. And then I just poked inside here with each lead, and then checked, and it was dead. It was a dead circuit. So we will go ahead and strip those and then put on the new light. So we got our new light with our little strap here, and then what I do is I usually just twist it and then twist it in the direction of my wire nut, so black to black, and then we'll hook up white to white. Yep, we have this taped up here. We don't have a lot of lead, so I did the best job as I could. Squeeze it tight, and then we'll obviously poke these through the hole and then mount the light. Because we don't have a breaker box or a junction box, we're going to use the supplied bracket, and then put 2 screws in the wood here, and then this center screw is going to hold the light. So here's our bracket. It's not straight, but it doesn't really matter. We don't have a ground wire because this is plastic, so we're going to leave that. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my screw over it, and then obviously remove our strap and use the supplied screw, and then feed it through, there. So we're almost finished. So I threaded this on temporarily, and then I will move the wires so they don't get pinched. So yeah, the lights, we're testing it, and as you can see here, it lights up the whole driveway, and it's positioned the way I want it, and then it lights up this part of the driveway here. So yeah, make sure your power is back on and test it out, and you may have to adjust that sensor